What is going on, guys? We are back at it with another one. Beginning of the week. Happy Monday. Big day today. It's a big week. Huge week. Class starts today. The guys are split up in two teams. They're knocking out a restaurant or starting on the restaurant. Or no, not starting, but they're halfway into the restaurant. And then they'll be starting Greenhead, which is the backside of the 60,000 square feet that we did today. It's 8:58, 9 o'clock. Class starts at 9 o'clock. And I'm gonna be going back there, checking it out. We have 7 students enrolled. We try to keep it at 7 and it fills up pretty quick, but we want to get hands-on. We want the guys to get hands-on. And if we just have too many people in the class, I don't want them to feel like it's not a hands-on experience. So we used to take 10, now we're taking 7, and 7 is our cutoff, is our max, and then we'll have to push everyone to the following class. So I'm here with Jaden. Jaden's been busy all morning, taking the rest of the registrations forms and sending the guys to the back. Man, it's been busy?
Yeah, it's been busy. Class full this month. It's gonna be a busy
week.
In general, busy week. We have a lot of stuff going on. Derek's gonna be teaching a class. I'm gonna be holding down the store.
I'll be back and forward. So, super important, Jay, that we double check everything because we're gonna be running around.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go check on the class real quick, and I'll be back.
Keep your notes in your book, wherever you need to make sure that it's in your writing and you understand. So, when you're in the field, you keep these in the truck. Hey, what was there? I needed a concrete and medium concrete. 85-90% of the time, you're gonna have medium concrete. Couple other times, you're gonna have harder concrete or soft concrete. Now, how do you know the difference? Soft concrete, your customer can.
On, guys, we're back at it. Just left the training facility, and now we're back over here at the 60,000 square foot warehouse that we did a couple months, or last month. Yeah, about last month. I'm here now. So we just left the training facility. The guys out there training, and we are checking out the warehouse that we did. And when I tell you they've come a long way, they have come a long way. Now the floor is super dirty. I'm gonna just show y'all what's going on, and we're also working on the other facility that they built on the other side. But let me just show y'all. This is the floor, guys. Super dirty, but looks super good. It held up to the move, guys. It held up to the move. They told us no touch-ups. The floor just needs to get cleaned up. So this floor is gonna get cleaned before we come out and get the final videos. Y'all remember right there at the sheetrock, that's where our tent was set up. This was a little bit past the halfway point. This is the side that we had originally started on. But that's how it's looking, guys. They've built this place out. This thing is crazy. They've come a long way. None of this was here. None of this was here. This was wide open. All this was wide open. So we're gonna go back to the other side. We're gonna show y'all the other building that they built. And we're gonna show y'all how far, but let me show you where it's at. So this was the original spot that we did. And now we are working across the street over there at that building. So let's go see what the guys are doing right now. That, guys, today is a super busy day. Not only is it the start of the classes, it's Monday, but a couple jobs from last week got pushed to this week. Therefore, just kind of stacked jobs on top of the week. You know what I mean? The rain. A lot of these new buildings ain't built the same. I don't know what it is, but that rain exposed 2-3 of our projects that had leaks. You know, the jobs were canceled, and here we are. That building behind me is the 60,000 square foot warehouse that I just came from. They got done building this building that I'm at now, and they want the same 3-coat beat system there. So my guys are here now. Thank you, Cuba. That's the building we're doing. These are my guys. Taking a little lunch break. Let's go check it out. So this is what the guy's been working on right here. This is the other side of the 60,000 square feet. 3-coat neat system. I need to talk to Derek about these joints. Sam was telling me that this is the water jet side, so there's going to be a lot of water involved here. That's going to be hitting the floor, so we're going to have to bump up our grip. And you know, these joints are going to soak up all that water, and what I don't want to happen is the water fills up in the joints, the concrete naturally absorb it sideways, therefore causing some type of moisture issue, and then the epoxy bubbling or coming up or something happening. So we're gonna go ahead and make that call real quick. If we didn't talk to them about polyurea on the joints, that's something that I recommend. And if they don't want it because of the price, then we're gonna go ahead and put that on paperwork. So that's where we're at, guys. What the guys are doing, this is hard concrete, so they have soft bond diamonds. It's the only way you're gonna really get a cut. You see what he did there? The foreman ended up leaning the grinder back, making sure Cuba got his eyes on the diamonds, make sure there was meat on the diamonds. Last thing you wanna do is not pay attention to the diamonds, and you end up messing up your grinder because there was no meat on the diamond. You actually start grinding on the plates. That's not what you want. So that's a good observation from Raul, the foreman, to check the diamonds before getting started. They've already started on the edges. You see the edges are already grinded. He started on this side. Why? Because the grinder's working its way this way. So he started on this side. Cuba's working his way this way. Now that he's grinded that other side, Carlos is hand grinding that side. That way the guys aren't bumping and working on top of each other. So that's the system these guys got, and they're on top of it. Actually, that's Tommy. So Cuba, Tommy, and Raul just got back from the restaurant we were talking about. The job got canceled. The guys got there, and there were trades that weren't supposed to be there. So everybody was working on top of each other. Raul called me, we worked it out with the GC, and we pushed another day back. So it's 1 p.m. and the guys met up the other guys at this project. They'll work together, knock this out, and And we got to call the GC at the restaurant and figure out the schedule. Remember, this is all working its way into next week where we start the 44,000 square foot project. So time is of the essence, and we're getting close to next week, and we got to figure that stuff out.
If it ain't about $1, yeah.